Hello, I'm in a 2019 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your interface. So first you want to make sure your vehicle is turned on, and then wait just a few moments for everything to load. And in the meantime, make sure your device is powered on with something like that blue symbol highlighted. And if you press and hold it, typically it'll get you to your Bluetooth menu options for your phone. But in the meantime, now that this is loaded, you could hit the phone button, or this audio button will probably take you there too, or the settings, but we'll just go straight to phone. And then we're going to add phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
So now we're just watching. We're going to make sure scan is activated. Ford Escape. And then it'll have you confirm the pairing in just a moment.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync
Random pin number.
displayed on your device.
Yes, and then you have to confirm on your device also. And that really should be it. It'll probably prompt you to download
Stay alert to changing road conditions,
contacts and things.
Voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
You can set a favorite, so it'll help auto connect your phone when you turn the vehicle on. Sometimes it might take a few tries to get a phone to connect properly. And then also a lot of models won't let you connect while you're actively driving, so you might need to park first. But otherwise, yeah, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.